In this video, we are gonna learn about how to upload shapefiles to Google Earth Engine. First, open Google Earth Engine code editor. Then click on Assets and then New. Under the table Upload, click on Shapefiles. You have to select your file in the Source File section and put an asset name here. Let's upload our file. Select the shapefile and its associated files and click on Open. The asset ID will be automatically taken from the name of the shapefile. Now click on Upload. You can see the progress here. After some time, it will be uploaded to your assets folder. When upload is completed, you can view the asset clicking on here. You can see the features and properties. Close this dialog box. Now click on the refresh to view the assets here. Our asset is loaded here. Now click on the right arrow to import into script. Now we can add this shapefile to our map using map player function. And click on Run. Our world boundaries shapefile is loaded into our map.